Good evening. Thank you for joining us. First tonight, Baton Rouge's favorite senior sprinter, Miss Julia Hurricane Hawkins, died peacefully in her home last night. She was 108 years old. We first told you about Hurricane Hawkins in 2018 when she became the oldest woman to compete in the National Senior Games. The Ponchatoula native went on to break multiple world records and was honored by the state for her accomplishments on the track. News 2's Alexis Mary looks back at her life and her legacy.
Sylvia, Julia Hurricane Hawkins, the speedy 108-year-old, was busy right till the end. Her daughter, Juji Battle, tells WBRZ when she got ready to go, she just went.
Whether she was breaking track records or tending to her garden.
Welcome to my garden.
108-year-old Ponchatoula native Julia Hurricane Hawkins had plenty of life advice.
So you need to save your races for when you need them.
Hawkins' daughter Juji Battle says she passed away peacefully Tuesday night at St. James Place after a long and happy life.
See lots of sunrises, sunsets, rainbows, beautiful birds, beautiful music. Things that people say to you that make you feel good, all those wonderful magic moments.
The races started when Hawkins was 100 years old. She was inspired by her son to run the 100-yard dash for her 100th birthday. She became a world record holder for her age group after finishing in just under 40 seconds.
I call her a little old lady in tennis shoes,
earning her the nickname Hurricane.
I like the flower lady better.
As an LSU alumna, Hawkins was the first person to create a 105-plus age group track record.
I've been here longer than I thought I'd be already.
She won 2 gold medals in the next 3 National Senior Olympics, leaving a lasting impact on Louisiana sports.
I'm inspiring them to be healthy and to realize you can still be doing it at this kind of an age.
And Mayor President Sharon Weston Broome released a statement earlier today saying, in part, her spirit and determination to stay active and engage with life touched so many. Sylvia?